Hey all, this is a web service, a RESTful web service that I created using Java, Java Jersey. This is a web service. These are all imports of Java X. This is the path alien. Actually, this is doing that. It is fetching data from database. That I am fetching the data from database using this web service. You can see that there are different paths: create, update, alien, and I will show you the whole thing through the postman. This is my Pojo. This is my Pojo class. Um, and this is the class which is connecting to database alien repository. Here I am using MySQL database. This is my table in the database. Okay, then I will show you. This is the postman. Now I am just calling my data from the database using the web service. You can see that it is on the localhost 6950 res demo web API aliens. And I'm you can see now it is fetching all the data in the form of XML from the database or from the MySQL database. And if you want to have this data in the form of JSON, we can we can do one thing. We can do a thing. Yeah, we can change here from JSON. Now it's fetching data in the form of JSON. If we want an XML, then we can directly. Now this is an XML. And another service, we have a post method through which we can send the data. Create. Now in the body, I have 1, 2, 3 as ID. You can have more rows and more columns. It's according to your Pozo model, your object class model. You can say any name here. I'm using my name. And you can send it. It's giving us response, and we can check it here also. We have a new record in our MySQL table now. Or you can cross check by having the same get request and for aliens. Then you can see the record here also. Here also you can see 1, 2, 3 is inserted. Now, if you want to fetch a particular with a particular ID, you can also use this get request. It will fetch a particular record. Here, here you can see that the record. You can get this record in different format. If you want in JSON, you can directly use this accept key with application slash JSON. Here it's in JSON format. Now, one thing I also want you to see that we have done with, you can also use a put. Basically, put will update the data, and if data is not present there, then it will create a new record. You can use update. In the body, we will changing the name from 123 Dheeraj. Dheeraj. Now sending the request. Now it's showing 123 Dheeraj. You can cross check here. It's updated in our database. Uh, we can do a thing also. We can delete a record also. If I want to delete this 123, I can send a delete request. It's returning the record. We can check here. The record is deleted. You can cross check here also by fetching all the records from the alien URL. Now here it's also deleted. So basically, this is the RESTful web service, which is fetching the data from the database and fetching, updating, and basically doing all create operations, create, update, and the delete on the read. These are the CRUD operations. Thank you.